Want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in just seconds? AI can do it for you, effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how to generate stunning thumbnails with AI tools, fast and easy. Let's dive in. Thumbnails are crucial for YouTube success. 90% of top-performing videos have custom thumbnails. AI tools can save time, create pro-level designs, boost CTR and views. A comparison of an AI-generated thumbnail versus a manually designed one. Now, let's create a YouTube thumbnail using AI. Step 1. Choose an AI thumbnail generator tool. Options: Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Photo, Thumbnail AI, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and pikzels.com. My suggestion is choose pikzels.com website. Step 2. Input your thumbnail idea. Explain AI prompt writing for best results. Enter your video topic or prompt example. God of War Kratos angry shouting action expressions cinematic colorful light. Excited face, money flying, YouTube growth, engaging and colorful. Step 3. Customize the AI-generated thumbnail. Adjust colors, fonts, and text placement, make it readable. Add a high-quality face or reaction photo, emotions boost clicks. Resize and fine-tune the composition for maximum visibility. Step 4. Download and upload the thumbnail. Save in high resolution, 1280 by 720, under 2 megabytes. Upload to YouTube Studio and preview on mobile and desktop. Pro tips for high CTR thumbnails. Big, bold text, keep it under 4 words. Bright colors and high contrast, make it pop. Emotional faces and expressions, shock, excitement, curiosity. Avoid clutter, simple is better, less text, clear visuals. Test with A/B thumbnails, try different versions and check analytics. That's how you create viral thumbnails in seconds using AI. Want more AI hacks? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'll try first. Show a before versus after comparison of a real thumbnail transformation. Add watch next recommendations to keep viewers engaged.